Hello guys, welcome to this new video. So I don't know how many people are gonna watch this video, but because I haven't posted a video in about 3 years, and I'm only making this one because many people, many of you asked me to make the part 3 of the chess series, how to make chess in Java. And the reason why I didn't, so before I start the video, this is not the tutorial, so I'm sorry if I tricked you in the title. I'm only making this video to clarify that the reason why I didn't make part 3, and that's because first of all, when I made the first two parts, I wasn't expecting to get as many views as I got. So I didn't make it. I didn't start making the game the way you're supposed to be making it. So it's hard to move forward from there. And I also had many like exams, and it was like a really important year in my studies. It was the last year of high school, so it was uh, decisive decisive year of what I would choose in college. Anyway, that's another topic. So that's why I didn't have time to make it at that time. But then after I was free, as I said, I couldn't continue the series because I didn't start it the right way. And looking back at it now, there's many things that I could have done better. And many of you pointed that out in the comments. I appreciate it. I also appreciate all the comments, the good, positive ones. And I think the best way to go from now is to make a new series or a new video to show you how to make the game the right way. And I'm sorry, I know many of you watched the first two and were expecting the third, so this is gonna sound like you wasted your time, but I think that's the best way because the way I showed you how to make it, it's not the best way. So it's not gonna be good to continue on that path. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So anyway, if you're watching this video, please tell me if I should what I should like make or any video in your mind you wanna understand something about like Java. And one other thing is I'm not like a professional Java programmer. I'm just a self-taught. Like it's just a hobby. Like programming is just a hobby for me. I don't study it. I don't like I never like took a course or like maybe I watched some courses on YouTube or something, but never like pursued it professionally. So it's not something like I'm not the Java guy. That's how you say that. Anyway, thank you for listening to this video. Actually, I don't know what I should put on the like the video. Like, should I just make it a black screen or I don't know. Anyway, sorry again for tricking you on the thumbnail and the title because I know a lot of you were expecting part 3 and I didn't just wanna ghost you guys and leave you like without finishing video. Anyway, take care of you guys. Take care of yourselves. I don't know. English is not my first language, sorry. Anyway, later.